My name is Schols. I'm a professor of old age medicine at Maastricht University in Maastricht, the Netherlands. I'm delighted to give a lecture at this year's ECG Congress in the Netherlands. As countries worldwide face a demography of more and more old people, the number of care-dependent older people will rise as well. This will challenge the sustainability of our healthcare services and ask for creative solutions. In line with this demography, many Western countries do advocate at this moment an aging-in-place policy for older people, which not only is thought to be more cost-effective, but also fits in the preferences of most older people themselves. However, this means that in the future, most elderly care, informal and formal, will take place at home, in the community. The question that follows is how to realize this in an adequate way. In my presentation, I will start by addressing the phenomenon of frailty, which currently receives a lot of attention in scientific literature. The added value of this frailty concept is the attention it raises for the importance of an anticipatory care policy when it comes to vulnerable old people. The concept of frailty will therefore be used in my presentation to stress the importance of the development towards a future-proof, proactive elderly care close to the living environment of the frail old people themselves, and executed by meaningfully collaborating healthcare and social care teams that seamlessly connect through the already present social neighborhood power. Of course, the related changes and challenges for dentists and other oral healthcare professionals will be addressed as well, because they should also play an important role in these future developments. I hope to meet you all at the ECG Congress in May. Thank you very much.